Havells introduces premium switch range Apogee, blending innovation with elegance. This is Sohail from EPR Magazine, and we have Mr. Vivek Yadav, Vice President of the company. He will be speaking of the company's new innovations and expansion strategies.
I am Vivek Yadav, Executive Vice President at Havells. I am in charge for low voltage switchgear, including electrical wiring accessories and home automation.
What new innovation ranges Havells are introducing in its product ranges?
Havells is a large FMEG company which has a wide portfolio of products, starting from the old legacy products of switchgear, wires and cable, and then slowly we evolved into other product categories like lighting, fans, many categories that we introduced later to make a comprehensive portfolio of products which occupy almost 75% of the socket points inside a house.
Can you explain us about the new product categories you have launched?
So there are many product categories which we are launching at Elecrama. Starting with switchgear, we have a complete new range of ACB, MCCB that we have launched in Elecrama. We've also upgraded our portfolio in control gear and power quality. So moving from the industrial category to solar, we are launching a high capacity GTI inverters, grid tie inverters, 350 kilowatt. In our motor section, we are launching smoke extraction flame-proof motors, both in IE3 and IE4.
Can you explain us about the new product category?
Before moving on to switches, I would also like to mention another category, which is our MCB portfolio. We are launching three categories here. One is AFDD, arc fault detection device, which again is a safety device for protection of man, material, premises from electrical fires. We are also launching a new range of distribution boards. These are glass door, BB, beautiful looking distribution boards, which is the latest in our series of distribution board. And lastly, we are also showcasing the latest innovation in solid state breaking technology, where the switching takes place in 1,000 times faster than the traditional breakers. In switches category, we are launching a new range called Apogee. So Apogee is epitome of switching, where our switch range is complete with respect to mechanical switches, and also a complete range of automation devices which fits onto the same modular plates. These are very distinct, and they have many features which are industry first, like zinc die cast plates in different finishes, and in same series we have ethnic look. We also have a look which can match decor of any kind of house. Apart from the traditional plates of in plastic in three different finishes, we also have glass finish, metal and wood finish. So this can actually complement any interior of a house, and also give variety of modules for different needs of the customer, including USB charging for different devices at home, high power devices including charging even your laptop. So that's possible with this new range. It will give a complete new look to the house and absolutely super premium. That's the Apogee range that we are launching. Switchgear is absolutely an essential part of electricity management, right from power distribution to when the power is used in consumer places, in industries or infrastructure or large buildings. So without switchgear, you cannot make electricity safe and reliable to use. So with power consumption going up, demand for power generation going up, and countries' GDP growing in different market segments, different user segments, demand for switchgear is increasing, and we are keeping pace with that and upgrading our products and using latest technology. We are trying to compete with the best in the industry today.
How does your switchgear improve power management and safety?
At Havells, it's a continuous process to look at our manufacturing capacities, to look at our product portfolios, and this is a normal way of life. We are continuously upgrading every year. There is a huge capex which takes place in both in our factories, in our R&D, and we invest for the future, not just for current. We invest for the future. So this helps us keep ourselves ahead of the curve when we go into the market in front of customer and compete with the competition.
What is Havells' expansion plans? Can you brief us about this?
Elecrama is a flagship event for the electrical industry. It happens once in 2 years, and this year was special because we've been preparing for our complete portfolio of products to showcase to our consumer and use Elecrama platform to communicate that the latest that is there from Havells basket, not just in the industrial category, but in solar, in motors, and switching solutions. We are showcasing a portfolio which is totally new and upgraded this time. So we thought that Elecrama is going to be a perfect platform, and we prepared well for it. And you can see the entire ranges of the different categories on display here.